Hi everyone. Today we have, as I told you, that my one of my best friend, Mr. Sawan Oza, he's working in an international airline, and today, we are very so casual together. But I want to show you today that we will have some formal conversation regarding his experience and how he got his job and everything. So हम उन्हीं से सुनते हैं. Sawan, please explain something about you, about yourself.
First of all, hello everyone. Very good morning to all of you. I hope सब लोग ठीक होंगे इस कोविड की महामारी के दौरान. और regarding the question you asked about my journey, I think I might started my journey in 2013. I think me, Naresh and Hemendra, we all started our journey in 2013 in Jet Airways. I think before that, Naresh was working already at the Jaipur airport. So the journey started like this. One of my mom, she was a teacher in a school, and one of her colleagues was also in the same school, and his son name was Pulkit. I think Naresh know him. He works in the commercial department of Jet Airways. So they advised me that why don't you go for the Jet Airways interview at that moment of time. So I went for the interview, and somehow I managed to clear all the rounds, and I got selected in security, and I started my job on 1st December 2013 in Jet Airways as a security assistant. I think Naresh is also supposed to start with us, but due to I think his previous company issue, he started a little later on 10th of December. So I always argue with him that I am the senior one, you are the junior one. But according to the work of situation, he was very senior to me because he was already working at the Jaipur airport, so he know all the do's and don'ts of the airline. But it was a very good time. I think Naresh is also agree with me that 2013 to 2015 was a very amazing time. And I was the one who was, very like I take it very casual. That Naresh, Hemendra, Kiran, we all came together, but they all take the work very seriously. And I was very casual. Naresh was, always explaining me, "Sawan, don't do this, you will get very serious issue and all that." But I say, I will not go to the cargo, I will not escort the cargo. So he know all the do's and don'ts. So I was very casual in that moment.
Because
but yes, I will appreciate Naresh.
Yes, sorry to interrupt. Actually, I was working before your work experience. I was working before you. So I had my aviation diploma also. So I was aware. I was aware about all those things, and you completely was new in aviation industry. And when you got chance and you joined, then we worked together. It was amazing time, like you said. In 2015, we worked together.
Yeah, amazing.
And, yes, my priority was to stay in with family here because I was married. I think in 2015 I got married and I wanted to stay together with my family in Jaipur. But then you have Susan, this career as a cabin crew, and I just want to know, Sawan, that how many countries you have visited as a cabin crew? First,
as a cabin, but before I want to say that as a cabin crew, I want to know the people that how I become the cabin crew before answering that how many cities I visit. It started when I joined Jet Airways as a ground staff, and I applied like four times through the from the security department to the cabin crew department, and on the fourth time I got selected somehow. And I think thanks to Naresh and all the department of like supervisor and duty manager who supported me, who always gave me motivation. Especially Naresh was always there to give me motivation that Sawan, please go ahead. You have the personality, you have all the things which a cabin crew supposed to be have, and he always motivates me. And this really boosts me up every time I go for the interview. And I mean, thanks to the Naresh, that he always motivate me regarding that how to go for the cabin crew interview.
Sawan, same time I would like to tell you. Yes, same time I would like to tell you about your dedication and hard work also. You joined as a ground staff, but everybody is admiring you that you have such kind of personality as a cabin crew. I think you should join as a cabin crew, and also you have given a lot of interviews. And apart from this, you have a lot of your skills you had, but though you struggled, you have given 4 or 5 time interview again and again. Then
Yeah,
sometime you got disappointed with due to this situation, but your morale, your dream was so high. So finally you got selected with the premier and best airlines of the India
that's.
in Jet
I would
Airways.
like to say thanks to guys. I would like to say thanks to the guys like you. Being not selected in the third or fourth time, you guys still motivated me that still you have a chance. Go ahead, go ahead. So I would like to thanks to you guys, especially Naresh, who always motivate me regarding this.
Yeah.
So know that in 2015 I got selected for cabin crew and I went for the training of Jet Airways. And in 2016, in March and Feb, I started flying from Bombay base only. So it was a very amazing journey with the Jet Airways also. I really enjoyed that. And
Yes.
regarding the question you asked that how many countries I visited, I don't know the countries, but I can say yes, I visited more than 50 to 55 cities around the world.
Yes, cities around the world you have visited. So
Yes,
earlier before you came to the aviation industry, you were only living in Jaipur, and I know that you are a pampered boy of your family also, because you are single. So did your parents allow you to go outside from Jaipur? It was I think it was so difficult for you also to go out from Jaipur.
I think when I got selected, they were really happy. But the first and the second month, the first 6 months, I will say it's very difficult. My father will be like, all the fathers are like that. They will be fine. It's okay. You're doing your job. But mothers are always like this, because they don't feel very comfortable when their only son is going out and doing the job. But after it's been so many years, so now they are in their comfortable zone because they know it's a kind of a job I have to do. So right now, after so many years, they are in a comfortable zone.
Okay. Just why I want to know that which airline you working in present time.
I work presently in Air India right now.
Okay, and overall, how many years experience you have in present time? Like you started, I think 2015 in as a cabin crew. Which year you started?
Yeah, in 2015. I started in 2015 as a cabin crew, so it's been 2021. So it's I think 6 years as a cabin crew and 2 years as a ground staff.
Okay. How amazing is your job? Please tell me, because it's a glamour industry, and it's every youth wants to come in this industry to get this job, because this is the energetic and motivated job, because a lot of opportunities we get to, and who has
the industry is really good. The industry is really good for the people who really want to explore the world, to meet the different kind of people around the world, and who really want to enjoy their opportunity to explore the world. So the industry is really good to work on. But yes, on the same time, it's not easy also. You have to really work hard every day. There is no time. There is no perfect according to your time. Like you will get night shifts, you will get morning shifts, you get afternoon shifts. So you have to be very flexible about it also in this, especially in this industry.
You are saying correct. Someone apart from the experience, I just want to tell you, and I want to ask you that, in the present time, aviation, airline sector is totally shut, and many of the pilots, cabin crew are sitting at home and they're not working. But this situation, maybe, still you are working with the India's #1 airline, is government airlines as well, Air India. So इस समय में भी आप you are working, you are going abroad, and how situation, like पहले आप काम कर रहे थे and present time you are working. So what are the difference earlier and now?
There is a lot of difference after the COVID pandemic, because previously it was something really different, but right now we have to take so many of precautions. If we doing international flight, we have to take masks, gloves, PP kits we have to don, and the service has been monitor all the passengers, because previously before pandemic, if there is something like if some passenger is having some issue regarding his health, we can really we have to be very careful. If some passenger is having some kind of issue regarding his health, the
Yes.
destination we are going, we have to inform that destination also. So everything has been changed, and it's been really difficult to wear down a PPE kit and doing a flight for more than 10 to 12 hours, because it's like sweating all over. When you're donning a PPE kit, it's really fine, but in summers it's really difficult. But yeah, it's a very challenging moment, and from last 1.5 year, our government also organized a Vande Bharat mission in which we bring back the standard Indians, and we are doing the part of the job to bringing back that also. So yes, it's a very difficult time for the aviation industry, but we will hope so once this pandemic is get over, the airline and travel and tourism industry will be boost up again.
Yeah, but you are wearing, you perform your duties with the full of mask and complete cover your body, and then you work continuously.
Yeah,
And so I
whole
think,
before you
yes,
have to do.
before starting the flight, you wear all those things. And I think it's completely, first of all, you're wearing your uniform, then you have to wear your mask and cover and all those things.
Yeah.
Don't you frustrate the time when you wear you complete you every day, because
Yeah,
it's not a matter of 2 days, 3 days. It's a matter of completely 1 year you're performing your duties like that. So don't you
yeah,
feel?
it's from the starting phase it was quite difficult, but yes, at the same point of time we have to understand that it's for our own safety in this situation. So we have to wear this, and after knowing that so many crew are getting positive with the COVID infection, so for our safety purpose we have to wear it. Somehow we have to, it's not about compromising, it's about you have to adjust that for your own safety, for your own health. So this right now everyone is agree with that statement, and it's very compulsory for a cabin crew to don that in this pandemic situation to save yourself and your family also.
Yes. So continuously you have been working in this pandemic. You have been working for 1 year and you are flying continuously also. So आप भी कभी आपको कोरोना वगैरह पॉजिटिव? I heard about it that you got a positive of the
Yeah,
COVID. Then
you
how did you?
asked a really jackpot question. I got positive on 4th of May, and on the 18th of May I completed my quarantine. And I think from day after tomorrow, after 2 days, I will report fit and I will start back flying again.
Yeah.
So after taking so much of precautions, I still got COVID. So I urged the people, so please take it seriously. Please don't go out of your home until and unless it's required. Please stay safe, wear mask, sanitize your hand. And that's the only 3 things of precaution we have to fight against the coronavirus. So I urge the people to follow that protocols, whatever the government has advised you.
Sawan, our prime minister, every day on the newspaper or in the TV channels, they always advise to stay at home. And but you guys, you are the front warriors. You always working outside like doctors and nurses. And you also, not only you are working in the city, you are working from one country to the another country. जो लोग हमारे वंदे भारत मिशन जो यात्रा जो फ्लाइट गवर्नमेंट ने स्टार्ट की है, जिसमें हमारी कंट्री के कई लोग जो दूसरे देशों के अंदर फंसे हुए हैं, उनको आपको लाना ले जाना. And it's a really very good job, and we salute you guys that you're performing your duties like that. Though you got affected with the corona, after that also you are ready to work. So I'm proud of you, Sawan, on these things you're performing like that.
I think all the Indians should be proud of our doctors, our nurses, our cleaning staff, everyone who is doing their job perfectly. Every professional who is doing their job in this COVID pandemic are supposed to be get a respect, supposed to be get saluted by the early Indians, because like doctors, without knowing the fact that it can cause the COVID virus can cause them a health problem or a severe problem, still they're doing their job. The nurses are doing their job. The cleaning staff of hospital are doing their job. As a professional cabin crew, we are bringing back the standard Indian nationals who are stuck outside of our country. We bringing them back to India. So we all are doing our job, and we are feeling very proud of that, and we will continue to do so
Yeah, that's good.
whenever it is required.
Yes, Saunin, as you know that this recording, and we are showing to our student from Success Land, and there are people who is connected with us. So this is the very motivational, inspired story with you, and you inspire so many youth also. You started your journey from Jaipur, a small area and small job, from the ground staff to the high level. And I think as I know you that before your job you never travel out of country. Because of this job you travel to the many countries, and you are achieving your dreams, and you enjoying your life, as I can see your post on the social medias and all. As I would like to show all those things, all those posts to our viewers also, so they get motivated with this. And one thing I would like to ask you, Sawan, that you have visited so many countries and cities around the world, but which country do you like the most? अब कौन से शहर आपको सबसे ज्यादा बेटर, आप जहां पर आप रहना चाहते हैं, you like to spend too much time?
I never been to New Zealand, and I wanted to be there because I saw that New Zealand is a very beautiful and a bright place to stay.
Hello. Yes. Can you hear me, Saul?
Hello.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes. I can hear you.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah.
I said I want to go to the New Zealand. Although I've never been to New Zealand, but yes, it's a very beautiful place, as I know. So many of my colleagues have went there, so I want to go to New Zealand.
Okay, that's good. Definitely, for you it's very easy to go, because I think you get roster from your airlines, then anytime you can go there also. And but I want to ask you that please tell me about the favorite city or country you like the most, which you have visited till now, जो आपने पहले तक अब तक घूम चुके हैं, उनमें से आपको सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा शहर और कौन सी सिटी आपको, कंट्री आपको सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है, there you want to go again and again?
Can you repeat it again? Can you repeat again, please?
Yes.
Can you repeat again?
Yeah, sure. Actually, I just want to ask you that you have visited so many cities and countries. In all those cities, which city or country you like the most, and where you want to go again and again?
I think Amsterdam will be the nice place.
Amsterdam.
Everything is legal there.
Okay. So what did you find there? So which is you got inspired and you liked too much? What is there? We would like to know.
Because everything is legal there in Amsterdam. There is no jail in that country. There is, but there is no kind of jail like we found in India and other countries. Everything is legal there. You are free to roam around. Everything is legalized. There is no one will stop you. There is no one will argue you. So that's why I like that place so much.
You mean to say that there people are well professional and they follow their rules and regulations? You want to say like that? I think this is the network issues. Yeah. Hello. Can you hear me, Sawan? Okay, guys. I'm trying to connect again with you. Yes. Can you hear me again? Yes, please unmute yourself. Now, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Sorry for the interruption.
Yeah, no. So you like Amsterdam, and where you would like
Yeah,
to
I
go
like
there again?
Amsterdam because
Okay, now someone
everything is legal.
yes,
Everything is legal.
everything is legal. You mean to say that everything is people follow the rules and regulation of the government? Hello, Savan, can you hear me?
Or your voice gets stuck again now.
Yes.
Yes, I can hear you now.
Yes, I'm saying that you mean to say everything's legal there. That nothing is
Yes.
everything's legal. What do you mean that?
We can't talk about what is legal at there on this platform. We will personally talk regarding that.
Okay. Okay, now you're talking about the personal talks, then I got remember one question to you, that as I also worked in airline sector 8 to around 9 to 10 years I worked. So I just want to ask you then,
Yeah.
many candidates who works in airline sector, they got attracted with any female friends and girlfriends, and they many, I have seen many of my staff also, they got married with their colleagues. So I just something is with you like also.
Can't share it here. We will let you know once it will get done.
Okay. Okay, come to the back point. Yes. Now, Sawan, please tell me what are the situation in present time in aviation sector opportunities, those candidates who is looking for some jobs and opportunities. So उन लोगों के लिए आप what opportunities क्या है इस situation में, as we know that not only airline sector, all hospitality sector got shut down, and it's really very big situations happening.
Right now, as we all know, it's not about the aviation sector. Every sector is having a very huge crisis due to this COVID pandemic, especially on the tourism and travel, and especially on the hospitality and air. There is a very huge loss is going on due to this COVID pandemic. So right now the situation is not that up to the mark which we are expecting, but yes, we are hoping that after maybe the next year will be the good year for the airline and the tourism industry, because we are hoping that once all the population get vaccinated by the year, and as we hear from the government plan that all the people get vaccinated by the year end. So we are hoping that by the next year, the airline and the tourism industry will be on the boom side. And we are hoping also that Jet Airways will also come back, and there is one more airline, domestic airline, which will be new airline, which will be started by Binay Dubey, who was the CEO of the Jet Airways. So he is also planning to start his own new airline by the end of this year. So there is so much of planning is going on, but due to this pandemic, the situation is little hold on. So we are expecting that by the next year, it will be a great chance for all the youngsters to be a part of the aviation industry.
Yeah, it's a very good news. Everything, a bad time goes, and right and good time, brightness will come very soon.
Good time goes.
Good time will come very soon. For not only airline sector, in all industries.
For every sector,
yes. So I just want to tell you, everyone that who is looking for a job in aviation as a cabin crew, then maybe after 6 months or 1 year after this COVID pandemic will. So after that, they will get a good opportunities for the aviation also. So
yeah, we are hoping so that we get the good opportunities.
Yes. So Saman, it was a great conversation with you. I'm very happy, and thanks to you that you got time to interact for our students and for the viewers, to give them a practical view, practical things, and what's happening and what kind of things whatever you have shared with us. So it was great for us. So thanks a lot again.
And I just want to say thanks to the Naresh. I was having a lot of time because I was quarantined for the last 14 days. There is no time issue. But yes, thanks to the Naresh, and I will congratulate him for his successful application of launch of Successland, and he wants to motivate the people regarding the personality development and for the future aspect for the people, that how to give the interview, how to improve your personality. See, education is a different thing. Education, your knowledge will be good. But once you go for the interview nowadays, they are looking for your personality, they're looking for your attitude. So that's the thing which you are teaching is really good for the youth who are very hesitate in the interview. So thank you for doing so much for the youngsters for this. And I wish you luck that you will continue this work ahead and again. And I wish you that you will get success in Successland. And for all the viewers, thank you so much for watching this.
Yes.
For all the viewers, thank you so much for watching.